how to fix Instagram CSRF problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram CSRF problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys is very simple. Just open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this. Now all what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on this update option and it will start updating your Instagram. That's it. That's the first solution. The second one is you have to go to the settings, open the wireless and networks, and then go to the top here. You will find the airplane mode. All what you want to do is enable it and disable it again. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.